morning, boys and girls. Welcome to Google Classroom. Today we're going to start to learn all about the farm, the buildings on a farm, the animals on a farm. But before that, let's stand up and let's sing hello. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands everybody, clap your hands. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Roll it out. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet everybody, stamp your feet. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Roll it out. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Shake your hips everybody, shake your hips. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Roll it out. Hello everybody, glad to see you. Nod your head and show you're glad to see me too. Oops! Oh no! Nod your head everybody, nod your head. Nod your head and show you're glad to see me too. Shake your hips and show you're glad to see me too. Stamp your feet and show you're glad to see me too. Clap your hands and show you're glad to see me too. Okay, boys and girls, Miss Rosemary's got to figure out what's wrong with that because it worked yesterday in our Zoom classroom. Okay, we have our American flag and it's red, white, and blue. Please put your right hand on your heart. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Can anybody tell me the name of the month? You're right, it's May, M-A-Y. And if yesterday was Tuesday, what comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Now, please help me count for the number of the day. There's so many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Today is Wednesday, May 27th, 2020. Okay, boys and girls, we can't forget about our numbers. So let's sing our number song. Hold one hand up, that's 5 fingers. Hold 2 hands up, that's 10 fingers. 10, 10, count to 10. Count to 10 with our friends. Count to 10 with our soldier friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count to 10 with our opera friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count to 10 with our monsters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold one hand up, that's 5 fingers. Hold 2 hands up, that's 10 fingers. 10, 10, count to 10. Count to 10 with our
friends.
Count to 10 with our
Cowboys.
Cowboys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Count to 10 with our baby friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 10, count to 10, count to 10 with our friends. All right, boys and girls, before we get started on our farm, I want everyone to see that our caterpillars are still in the chrysalis stage. So we're waiting patiently. It should be any day now where they emerge into beautiful butterflies. So we will keep you posted, and every day we will watch them, okay? Okay, today we're going to talk about a place where we get our food from. We get plants from it. We get meat from it. We're going to talk about a place called the farm. Now, the farm has two very important buildings on it. Does anybody know what this building is? Can anybody tell me what this building is? This is a barn. Does anybody know what a barn is used for? A barn is where the animals live. But this building is just as important. And this is a 4th grade word I'm going to teach you now. This is called a silo. And does anybody know what a silo is? A silo is where the farmer keeps the animals' food. So these are two very important buildings on a farm. A barn and a silo. Okay? Now, there's lots of animals that live on a farm. And the one we're going to talk about today is a cow. So Miss Rosemary is going to read you a book about a cow. The name of this book is My Cows. Hi, I'm Chase. Welcome to my farm. Would you like to meet my cows? I have 2 cows. My cows are dairy cows. Dairy cows make milk. Every day, Dad takes my brother and me to the barn. We are going to milk the cows. We bring pails to milk them. Dad and I milk the cows. We milk the cows until the pails are filled. My cows give us milk. One of my cows has another job. Are you ready for the surprise? Beauty is a cow. She has a new calf. A calf is a baby cow. My cows eat grass in the field. Eating grass is good for the cows. It makes their milk taste good. I also give my cows grain to eat. My brother gives them water to drink. Okay, and from the milk, boys and girls, that we get from cows, of course, we get the milk that we drink. Milk can be made into cheeses, all different kind of cheeses. Milk can be made into heavy cream that makes whipped cream, and Mom's using a lot of recipes. Milk can be made into sour cream. I'll bet a lot of you eat that with your chips. And I'll bet this is your favorite thing that milk helps us make. Milk helps us make, what is this? Can anybody tell me? You're right, it's ice cream. Now I'm going to bring you to Miss Rosemary's farm before we make a cow puppet. Now this is Miss Rosemary's farm, okay? This building is called the barn, and the barn are where the animals live. This is the farmer. The farmer takes care of the animals. And here's are some animals that can live on a farm. A cow, pigs, a dog lives on a farm, a turkey, a horse, a sheep, cow, and pigs. So lots of animals. Farmers take care of lots of animals on farms. Some farms just raise one kind of animals, like some farms just raise cows, but other farms might raise pigs. Other farms may just raise goats, but a farmer is in charge of his farm. And a farmer keeps the animals' foods in a, what's that fourth grade word? A silo. Boys and girls, we're gonna move over here and we're gonna make a cow puppet. Okay, and our cow puppet is gonna look just like this. Now you can make your cow puppet out of a paper bag, or you could just use a piece of paper. Remember, cows can be white or brown or black. And the first thing we're gonna do is put our horns on the cow. We're gonna glue our horns back here. And remember, some cows don't only give us milk, but they also, other cows give us meat, like hamburgers and steaks. Then we're gonna put the cow's mouth on right here. Here's the cow's mouth. And his tongue goes underneath. Okay, and then there's two little spots right here on the cow. And if you ever seen a cow, you know that he has lots of spots. So we're gonna glue lots of spots on our cow. Can I have that black marker, please? And now, finally, our cow needs 2 eyes. So we're gonna give our cow 2 eyes. And then on the back of our cow, we're gonna glue some information. This says, "Hi, I am a cow. Cows eat grass, hay, corn, silage, and grains. You might see us resting in the field, chewing our cud after we eat. We use our tails to swish flies away. Our most important job is producing milk. The farmer milks the cow twice a day." So we're gonna glue that right on the back of our cow so it can give us some information about a cow. And now you have it, your cow puppet. And remember, you can make this out of a white bag, a brown bag, a piece of paper, and you'll have your very own cow. And what does a cow say? Moo. Move over to Zoom class tomorrow. I'll see you then. Bye, boys and girls.